Yeah, it's like 11 o'clock.
Hi, is anybody in here with us? My name is Rob and this is Kim.
Hi.
We're just here to talk to you. No disrespect. Just want to find out, what you're doing and how you've been and what your name is. What happened with my office report?
I have to look at it then. Is there anyone in here with us? If there is, my name's Kim. And this is Rob, and we mean you no harm. No disrespect. Just came to visit you. We came to visit you, and if there's any spirits with us, could you tell me how many of you are here? How many of you are here with us?
What did you come here for? What was your sickness?
Any spirits here? Is anybody here with us tonight? We came to see you or to speak with you. I'm sure a lot of you had died here in this building. What? Was that someone trying to come through? If it is, could you try again? Anybody here? I got it. Hi. To the mail that just came through, could you tell me your name?
What's your name, sir?
What's your name, love? We didn't catch your name. Can you say it one more time?
Can you move that door?
What?
What were you in here for? Were you sick?
Did you pass? Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Sir, did you pass away in this building?
What part of the hospital are we in?
Sir, are you still with us?
What?
What? Oh my God. I said, sir, are you still with us? Could you understand that? Are you still, is your spirit still here with us right now?
Can you make a noise?
Could you try to tell us your name again?
Too bad we didn't get that on recording.
We got it on here. On TikTok Live, we got it. Hopefully it'll sound good on YouTube when I upload it. Sir, are you still with us? Do you have the energy to communicate with us? You can use our equipment's energy. You can use our energy. Did you say help? Do you need help? We're not leaving. We're still here. Did you pass away here, love?
Can you make a sound? Can you shut a door?
Or can you try to come through again with your voice? How do you feel about people coming in here and talking to you guys? If you're still with us? What? I'm sorry I talked over you. Could you repeat that?
How many people are here with us today? How many spirits are with us today?
We hear that you might be trying to come through. Could you try again?